can add music to your site in several ways. To upload individual tracks to your site, you can use the audio block. Or use the SoundCloud block to embed SoundCloud tracks or playlists directly on your site. You can add these blocks to any content area. You can sell t-shirts, albums, digital downloads, posters, and more using Squarespace Commerce features. Use an events page to list upcoming shows, tours, appearances, and more. You can display your events as a detailed list full of specifics about venue location and start times, or as a calendar. Once you've added events, you can showcase these events elsewhere on your site using a summary block or calendar block. If you use Bands in Town, you can add a Bands in Town block to your page or events. Lastly, link to your social media pages by connecting your social accounts. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.